Little GTO, you really looking fine. Three deuces and a four-speed and a 389. Listen to her tacking up now. Listen to her whine. Come on and turn it on, wind it up, blow it out, GTO. You ought to see her on a road course or a corner mile. This little modified Pontiac